So I have here a nice cucumber to make our Asian cucumber salad. So I'm not going to use any gadget to cut up my cucumber. I'll just basically use my knife and cut. Okay, now that I've finished cutting up my cucumber, I'm going to transfer it to my jar, a mason jar. Asian style. Excuse this glare from outside. I had planned to do this video and I was so excited I just press record and didn't bother about anything else. Alright, so I have some what I have here, some soya sauce. Yum 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 yum. I'm just basically eyeballing all of my ingredients that I'm adding. I'm gonna use some sesame oil. I haven't used sesame oil in a very long time and this smells so good. Maybe about a teaspoon of this should do it, and about a tablespoon of sesame seeds. Yeah, that should be fine. And I have here some chili oil. I had to get this on Amazon because I couldn't get that here locally. So maybe I'll use about a teaspoon. This is supposed to be spicy, so I don't want to overpower it. I'm just going to use about, maybe mix this up well. I'll start with about a teaspoon of this for starters. That looks so rich and exciting. Maybe about 2.5. Yeah. One more ingredient that I need to add. I'm going to add some rice vinegar. Again, I got this on Amazon. I couldn't get this at all around locally. Maybe about a teaspoon of this. Again, I'm eyeballing that. Put a little more. Yeah. And of course, you know, after you mix everything together, you can always, you know, taste and see if it's tasty enough for you. Shake that up well. Okay folks, so here is the Asian cucumber salad in my mason jar. You can see better how it looks. I shook it well. I'm going to shake it again. Shake, shake, shake. And I'm going to taste. I added a little more sesame oil to add more salt. And let's give it a taste. I don't have chopsticks. And I'm yet to learn how to use it. I'm going to challenge myself to learn how to use chopsticks. So here we go. This is good. Something totally different, just really nice. Like I said before, I haven't used sesame oil in a very long time. I just love the aroma of it. Taste, I could just eat this whole jar. Don't share with anybody. Super awesome. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Well, it's simple to make. Apparently it's viral basically on TikTok. I found out about it. And of course, you have to try these recipes and share it with you if you haven't tried them before or heard about them before. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Take care, bye bye.